Hello all, welcome to Billionaire. So this is RP here, recording video on 18th of May 2022. So we discussed in past our videos, Nifty is going to fall, it's going to crack 15,671. So yeah, today I was going to record a brief video on Nifty because yesterday it gave a rapid move on the upside, which created many doubts in my mind and even in your minds as well, maybe. Okay, so I was chilling today watching the match and then I checked the Dow. It was falling rapidly and now seems to be recovering a little bit. It was down almost 1100 points and SGX is also below 16,000. So a move below 16,000, 16,000 is a major support for tomorrow. So a move below 16,000 is a buy opportunity for tomorrow. But we need to see what is going to happen in terms of Elliott Wave and option chain data. So we'll check that all in details. So yeah, I was watching match. It was really very thrilling. If you haven't watched Lucknow versus Kolkata, you should watch that match. It went till last ball. The runs were 200 plus. Both teams scored. So Kolkata lost by 3 runs. So you must watch that match as well. So because of that match, the video got delayed. Sorry for that. I hope you are still up and you will watch this video till the end. We'll try to finish as quickly as possible. So this was our review, original view, which we are saying since I think somewhere around this point, we said that it is going to fall. We recorded a lot of videos on this every weekend. So you must go and watch this playlist where we discussed Nifty's fall. All of them are having a bearish view since the beginning of 18th April. Okay, so this video, by the way, has very good view. And yeah, continuing that view. So Nifty is about to break this in next couple of days. That's what we are expecting. And this is ABC correction on the downside. So each correction is a complex internally. So the final correction is a Z wave. Okay, so WXY, XX, and Z wave. Z wave internally has A, B, and C waves. So C wave, final wave is in progress. We are expecting it to drop towards this and maybe towards 15,000. It might touch this trend line and then bounce back. So that's what we are expecting. So hope you have watched those videos, or you can go again and watch them as well. So this is how Elliott Wave helps us to forecast the market moves. So moving on to the next chart. So this was our original view where A wave completed here. B wave, we decided that it is WXY correction, where Y wave did not cross the top of W wave, and then the C wave drop was started. And until this point, I was aware that it is going to drop. But yesterday's move was surprising, and it is not even a flat correction as WXY, because X wave retraced almost breaking this. It has made, I think, 15,738 low and then bounced back. So we can call this as a flat correction, but this extended wave is again creating doubts in my mind. So let's check those things and let's clarify them. So this could be the fourth wave ending here, and we need to do the recount. I am considering them to be recounted again. Here the moves are a little bit tricky. Okay, so what we can expect is, so this was the move. I think it is going to repeat this move here, right? Because of today's fall in the global markets. So we could see that tomorrow. So let's see the different possibilities as well. So this was our initial view, and we were expecting it to drop 1.618 or 1.382 of this A. When you plot Fibonacci on these 3 points, you get C wave's target as 15,300. So this is different way to calculate the target based on ABC. Okay, so this was our original view, a plain chart A, B, and C. C wave has internally 5 waves. So zigzag correction has A wave, then B wave, and then C wave. Okay, so this is again 5-wave structure. Okay, 5 waves down, 5 3 5 structure. Okay, just remember that 5 3 5 zigzag will have 5 3 5 waves. So same thing looks to be in progress now. So this is how the plain chart looks like. And yeah, we are going to check another view. Okay, so this is the chart that I am preferring right now. Okay, so this is the count that I prefer right now because of this extended fourth wave. Okay, so this fourth wave is went too deep. Okay, it went more than 0.38 to Fibonacci. So if you check here, 16,270 was 0.38 to Fibonacci. It should have ended something like that, and this it should have dropped, but it went up and hit 16,400. So that's why there were doubts in my mind. I was expecting max towards this. Even if you check our last short video, there we have mentioned that it is going to go toward this, and then it might drop, either creating a triangle or flat. So it had created a flat and it had dropped. So this was our view, and this view looks to be in now it has been damaged. Okay, so that's why I was not able to create video yesterday, and I was thinking of recount, and also I was not prepared for counting it again. So now tomorrow it might adjust a little bit, but the count that I'm thinking right now is this one here. A completed, B completed here, and when you plot a channel on these 3 points, you get the top area here. Okay, so here this looks to be a pretty in line with our view, and if it starts the drop tomorrow, then the fifth wave will start. So what we can expect is a sharp drop tomorrow first. So sharp drop, a pullback, and then a drop in the next couple of sessions like this. Okay, in a fifth wave. So fifth wave will again have 5 waves. So tomorrow it will go like this, it will bounce back, and then third wave will start maybe on Monday or Tuesday. So we have to be curious, be cautious. Should not jump immediately. You can wait for pullback. So tomorrow it's expiry, so pullback can happen. So 16,000 is major support. So this way it can pull back, and then on Monday it can start the drop. So we have to be prepared for that. So this is how I'm considering the count now, and we can expect 15,300 again. When you plot Fibonacci on these 3 points, you get this number and then this number. Okay, 200% or 2.618. 2.618 is below this. It is quite deeper towards 14,000. I'm not expecting that. So 15,400 to 15,000 is any of low we are expecting as a fifth wave on the downside. So little bit of checks we need to do here. So another alternative view that I was considering, if it was continue to go up like this, as ABC completed here as a W correction, and then ABC, which will complete here or might here complete at 0.61 Fibonacci, 17,500 like this as a X wave. So this is alternative count that I was thinking, and then X wave deeper, going deeper like this again. But yeah, this seems a little bit now impossible. Okay, let's see tomorrow what it happens, or whether it continues to trick us and creates random patterns and then drop. So this was one way that I was thinking, and yeah, this is how I counted Elliott waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Internally, 5 has one of the fifth wave that is truncated here. That's what I was thinking. Here there was a positive divergence which created this blast on the upside, and then, but yeah, we should be careful. Hope none of our channel members are carrying huge long positions on any side, because it was almost breaching this and then gave a bear trap bounce, and then then again it is starting to drop. Hope none of our channel members are doing that. And here you can see we also mentioned that initially it was looking like a triangle here. Okay, so it was looking like a triangle here, but then I mentioned that it could be a trick. Like I suspected that it will make a triangle because it didn't complete the D wave. Okay, and not completing D wave, until the D wave is completed, we cannot be sure of a triangle. So yeah, here you can see that. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom the chart. So here you can see that it has all properties of triangle. Internally ABC, ABC, okay, ABC, like this. So D wave, if it was rejected from here, then it was definitely a triangle. One more top would have been possible here, and then a drop as a ABC correction completed there, and WXY completed as well. So that could be a possible case, but yeah, even this was looking a tricky as it did not complete the D wave. So even I didn't carry any positions. So tomorrow, once it starts the drop, we will get an idea. So let me remove these things because it is not going to be a triangle anymore. Let me adjust the waves a little bit. So the wave third could be completed here. Okay, fourth here and fifth here. Okay, so now I'm adjusting things, but that's how you have to adjust the count. If you are not aware of the counts, don't trade it. That's the main idea. If you are not aware of the counts, so here it looks 5 waves up in a third wave, and then fifth wave completed here, and tomorrow we will start the drop. So here, when you are not aware of the counts, just don't trade it, just leave it, let it complete the pattern, and we will get a chance once it drops and pulls back. We will get a chance on this pullback to ride on the downside. So that's what we need to remember, that whenever the count is not clear, just leave it and just ride it whatever internally you look as per the price action. So this is how the count is now. And now tomorrow, once it starts trading below a particular level of 0.600 Fibonacci, so 0.600 Fibonacci is a deep, right? So this entire sequence from here to here, it has a 0.600 Fibonacci as 15,990. So once it goes below this, then we can assume that this fourth wave completed here. Okay, if it starts trading below this 15,990, okay, then we can assume that it has completed the fourth wave here, and a pullback is a short opportunity with this as a stop loss. Okay, any pullback, and then we can ride for the fifth wave going on the downside, breaking 15,400 to 15,000 levels. So yeah, this monthly expiry will be a rocking expiry. If it moves according to our analysis, it will be very much rewarding for most of us, and it will be a pullback rally. Like pullback will be an opportunity. That's what you need to remember. So on the daily chart here, you can see that there is 13 EMA rejection, and it had made a red candle, but it does not carry any significance. This red candle is not looking, it's a spinning top kind of candle right now. So yeah, there is no uh, proper pattern in this candle. All the other indicators are bearish. MACD was a little bit turning to the upside, but tomorrow it would turn again red if it goes downside. Option chain, let's check. On the option chain, we were saying that earlier we were saying that 16,000 to 16,300 should be the expiry for this week. So tomorrow 16,300 will not be seen, I believe. So 16,000 here is a major support, and 16,500 is the biggest number on the call side, which will act as a resistance. So this is the major range. Apart from that, the second biggest resistance is 16,300, and second biggest support is at 16,200. So okay, break of 16,200 will go to the 16,000. That's what we can think. Okay, let's check what is happening in the Dow, whether it's recovering or not. If it's recovering and if it closes a little bit, then we have an opportunity tomorrow. So if it opens gap down below 16,000, a pullback should come above that, and somewhere between 16,000 to 16,200 200 we should complete our expiry, because all of the put writers, okay, all of the put writers will exit their position. Sorry, all of the call writers should cover their position at the beginning if the Nifty moves below this, because this is a major support of this expiry. I'm not expecting an expiry below this. A move below this will pull back upside. So that's what we are expecting, a zigzag move on the upside after a drop, this drop. So whatever a low it makes with a big green candle on the upside, then a pullback, then an upside. So this green candle, this area will be our wave 1 of 5. This will be wave 2 of 5. And the third wave, we should ride the third wave. That's what our idea is. So tomorrow, any drop below 16,000 is a long opportunity. Okay, and we can expect an expiry between 16,000 to 16,200. That's what I'm concluding from the option chain. So hope you like the analysis. If you have any doubts, ask in the comments. Do subscribe, hit like. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.